don't know why a lot of you guys still sleeping on real estate. Yes. Gone are the days when a lot of you see as going to club, spending on frivolous things as a luxury. We are fast moving to a time that if you are not a landlord, you don't own a house, you don't own a property, you don't own a land, you might as well find it difficult to be able to pay for rent if you are not getting more than enough on your weekly, daily, or monthly basics to foot your to fit into your um expenses. Let me just put it that way. So, are you a Yahoo boy? Are you a carpenter? Are you a digital marketer? Are you a tech guru? Whatever you are doing now, you have to think real estate. Buy land. Buy land. Buy land. Invest in your future. Invest in the future of your unborn children. Invest in the future of your generations to come. Because whatever you buy now, whatever land you buy now and preserve for them is what you, as a father, as a potential father to be, or as an individual, we end up passing down to the generations yet unborn. You doesn't necessarily have to have the whole money like Dangote in this world to leave something for your generation. If you can afford to start getting yourself involved in real estate, buying land, buying properties, even with your small earning, you plan yourself ahead and start saving up to secure a plot or plots of land for yourself and for your unborn generation. You will see that your biggest financial investment of your life. What you don't understand in getting a land secured now is that the land you buy for 10 naira today will live to increase from that 10 naira upward. It will never be depreciated. And the funny part is that even though in times of trouble, the land can still come back to save you. You might be thinking, no matter how the problem is, you can never sell your land. It might not. I'm not saying that it will be good for people to fall into a life circumstances that will make them sell off their property for duress. But no matter how you sell your property in duress, you will still get a bit value for what you invested in initially. You invested on it initially. What am I saying in essence that is whatever land you buy, you can never, even though if you don't want to build on it, you don't want to use it for your personal self, you can never sell it or sell it out or give it out to whatever person unless you are dashing it out. But if you intend to sell it, you can never sell it without making interest. It's not possible. So, and don't get me wrong, because I mentioned Yahoo from the beginning of this my video, when I was calling those who are supposed to buy land, doesn't necessarily mean I encourage internet fraudsters or I encourage people doing Yahoo, but they are human beings too. Yes, they might be into internet fraud, but at the same time, some of them might sit on a new leaf. They might, and it's best for them they were even my main target, because all the money they spend on the club, spending on necessary things, living a very without investing in their future or investing in the future of their unborn generation. Maybe if they, most of them are even cut off this, if they have managed getting small money and they buy a plot of land and build the ones they are living on, they forget everything. The whole money they are seeing from the internet fraud, they now want to spend it the way they want. They don't think outside the box, they don't reason anything. Once they are able to buy a plot of land or get a plot of land from the ones their father or any of their family land, they built one plot, they built one house there, they believe they have done everything. What am I saying in essence is that why am I targeting them? Because it can help them secure their future. Some of them might ended up being caught, and most of what they acquired might be deprived from them. And if they have invested in real estate, they have invested with some real estate company, buy some properties and start away. and nobody knew about that. Maybe after a whole long run when they don't commit their crime finish, and if karma was so good, because I would say karma will still come if karma was so good and get them caught, and they were reprimanded and most of their properties were confiscated, they will still have something to come back to start up their life afresh if they really have sense. So that is why I made mention of Yahoo from the beginning of my video. It's not as if I'm encouraging Yahoo boys, but for pastry's sake and for those who will possibly want to turn a new leaf later in the future, they shouldn't just have to start from zero, because that's where their story always ends. So I believe a lot of people, not only Yahoo boy, a lot of workers, individuals need to learn to invest in real estate, learn to secure a land, even from your little. So invest in real estate, buy land, prepare yourself because of any eventuality, so that at the end of the day you will not say, had I known. Oh, at the end of the day, if I have known, I would have buy this plot, would have buy this, would have buy that. Start investing now. No matter where the land is, start buying, start preparing, start building that future you want to live for your unborn children. Start building that future you want for yourself. If you require any land, you can reach out to me. I'm a real estate guru. No matter where you want your property, no matter where you want your land, we can work it out for you. We can work it out for you. I'm not hiding my hustle. I'm telling you for real fact. Real estate, landed property, securing plots of land is one of the biggest investments. It's one of the wisest decisions as an individual you can make for yourself. So don't let anybody deceive you. You can trade forex, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade everything, you can do every other thing, you can buy gold, you can do this, but the biggest and most reliable investment you can do for yourself is to buy land. Have landed property. It's very, 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 very important for anyone who wants to live a better life. It's very, very important for anyone who has a plan, and it's an opportunity to accumulate and secure a generational wealth. If you don't know, owning a land only is an opportunity for you to keep hold of a generational wealth for yourself and for your unborn children. So start investing now. Start buying those properties now. Start buying those lands now. I still remember my humble real estate guru, aka King Snow. If you need your lands, you can reach out to me. We have our plots of land. We have estates. We are have most of our estates are still underdeveloped, and this is right time for most of you to start purchasing. From 1 million above, you can become a landowner with Greenpeace Global Property and Real Estate. Yes, we have our lands in Lagos. We have our land in Ibadan. We have in Ogun State. We have in Anambra. We have in Ebonyi. Reach out to me with your 1 million. With your 500,000, you can start making that smart investment. It's not necessary you pay for it at once. You can start paying for it little by little. And one thing is assured is that the land you buy from us is secure and guaranteed for you and for you only. Nobody is coming to take away your land from you. You have your documents, you have your legal backings, everything will be well documented. You are getting your property whenever you need your property. You are getting it. Nobody is taking it from you. Nobody is coming to claim your land. All our property locations are well analyzed and surveyed areas that no government official, no individual is coming to claim ownership of them after you've paid for your land. So if you are interested in getting a plot or buying a real estate, reach out to me, and always learn to get yourself involved with genuine real estate people whom you will get the value of what you are paying for. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.